Check out these polymer clay heads. It's my husband and me made out of Sculpey clay. In this quick polymer clay tutorial about snow globes, I'll demonstrate how I made a waterless snow globe craft with Sculpey DIY oven-baked clay, which is very pliable once warmed up with your hands, and a Michael's Craft Store empty snow globe. If you're interested in alcohol ink ornaments too, I'll include links to those craft tutorials in the description, and thanks for your support by clicking the subscribe and like buttons, as well as leaving a comment about what you would like to create out of clay inside of a custom snow globe. Using Sculpey Premo clay, I rolled simple ovals, circles, and cylinders into basic body parts and gently pressed them together. You could also use pieces of toothpicks inside of the clay to make sure the pieces stay together securely when baked. I custom blended our skin tones to have the figures resemble my husband and me, and make sure the size will fit into the opening of the plastic snow globe too. I had extra room in the snow globe, so I was excited to fashion our dogs also. Maybe you would have room for children or something else meaningful inside of your own snow globe. The sky's the limit, as long as it fits and can stand up vertically. Look how cute. I only have one ear because my hair's going to cover the other ear, and the hearts were a special touch. It helps to work with Sculpey clay on a glass surface or smooth plastic mat. Another tip is to make sure your hands are extra clean when working with the white, and actually to clean them between any color changes. This was a surprise Sculpey DIY art and craft present for my husband, and I was so excited to show it to him. He almost discovered it when he thought that it was baked goods to eat under foil that were cooling on top of the stove. You can help balance the figures after baking according to the package directions by propping them up against each other and using Gorilla Glue, E6000, super glue, or something similar at the parts where the figures touch each other and also under the feet to help them stand up. I opted for a glitter paper on the base, and if you have any difficulties with getting your sculptures to stand up, another idea is to hot glue them with a lot of glue on the base of the snow globe, and then to use fluffy cotton or fake snow to cover up any of the excess glue that's showing. Phew, I was glad the snow globe top fit on with our little arms sticking out a little bit, and I jazzed it up with a festive red glitter ribbon at the bottom. What do you think? I was filled with joy when wrapping up this unique custom snow globe craft to give to my husband. Stay to the end for a photo of us and our dogs to see how we look like this DIY Sculpey clay snow globe. I hope this fun polymer clay tutorial inspires you to create something unique for yourself or your loved ones too. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios, and my background is in teaching elementary school art. You can find me here on YouTube, as well as Skillshare and social media. Happy creating to you, and have a great day.